Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your PC recognizes the Xbox controller. Plug in USB or pair via Bluetooth and check devices. Once done, install any missing Xbox drivers and restart Assetto Corsa so the game reads inputs cleanly. Make sure Steam Big Picture is disabled during the first launch to avoid automatic mappings. You're doing this to get a neutral baseline. The game will otherwise apply presets that conflict with finer steering or pedal tuning later. You now configure controls inside Assetto Corsa. Open Options, then Controls, and choose the Xbox profile. Map steering to left stick and throttle/brake to triggers, assigning clutch and handbrake to buttons as needed. Calibrate axes by driving a short lap and adjusting dead zone and sensitivity until steering is smooth without twitch. Once calibrated, fine-tune force feedback so you feel road texture but avoid clipping. Vibration can be toggled for immersion. These steps ensure finish by running multiple test laps on a track to verify handling and identify any input lag or axis reversal. Make incremental changes, reduce sensitivity for smoother steering, or increase dead zone to eliminate drift. If you hit problems, try reinstalling Xbox drivers first, then check Steam input, switch to forced off or remap there. As a last resort, use X360C to emulate X input, but be careful with duplicates. That one troubleshooting tip often resolves persistent recognition and mapping conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.